Hey guys, we're back again with another trade review. We are on NQ. The date is 1/15/2025, and we are going to check out the trade I took today, or should I say this morning, since now is PM session. I took this in AM session, so let's check it out. This will be a short video because I do have to go to the gym after this, but hey, we'll go through the trade still. Now right here I see SMT on the 4 hour. It's clear SMT with ES. ES is obviously above that high, so I mark out NQ SMT, and I see that we also sweep the buy side liquidity on it's minor buy side liquidity, but it's still buy side liquidity at the end of the day. Right here I'm looking for a close below this BISI, so I'm just watching price, getting ready to sell short. Because I'm generally bearish, as you can see when price opened, we targeted 25% of the opening range gap of the regular trading hours. Now we filled it, came back up, and I was like, dang, we should definitely fill more of that. So I was targeting this low that we made, and ultimately targeting a data low from the CPI that was at 830. So I'm about to sell short right here, and I decided to set up a limit order right at the bottom of the BISI, because now it's an inverse FEG. Once we close below it, we return up, tag my entry. Now price is filling the BISI. Drag my stop all the way down there. Now we watch that candle close above. Now if you didn't see, this was on the 1 minute. So we sweep through the SIBI, closing below it, and then we next candle sweep right back through it, closing above it. So this is not a good sign already. It's not fully leaving or rejecting this inverse FEG, so we're in a little bit of trouble. So I end up switching to another time frame to see if we have anything else, any other PD array that would be bearish and help us go short in our favor. As you can see, price is jumping around right now, going towards our stop, which is not ideal. Do not want price going towards our stop. Soon enough we'll sweep this high, and this is where price gets so close to my stop, takes away, and then we start to see a little bit of red. Price is giving me a little bit of faith here, I'm like, oh great, we just had a deep retracement. This is where we reversed right here, close down there, price comes all the way back up, stops us out. Now, was I a bit aggressive on my entry? I believe I was a tiny bit aggressive on my entry because SMT was not fully formed at the time. It formed at 10 o'clock. It would have confirmed the SMT. but this was right at 10 o'clock. Right at 10 o'clock. So, the prices wasn't in my favor. I think the main reason price wasn't in my favor because of CPI numbers. CPI was very bullish. So the candle itself was bullish, and the rest of the day, the rest of AM was mostly bullish as well. But yeah, I mean, let's go into this. We don't really have I don't think we have a clean market structure shift on this entry, which surely is needed for a reversal. But we do have a lot of other PD rays involved, like buy side liquidity, sweeping buy side liquidity, inverse FEG. We do not have a shift in structure though. So I think that's where we fell short of the stick. So that is something I need to work on. As you see, we don't really go past this low. It's more of equal lows or a little bit above this low. So that's what I will work on going into tomorrow. And I want to be more patient with my entries. Now I've noticed straight out the gate, straight when 9:30 opens, I try to get my trade in right away. Now that isn't a bad plan, but I feel maybe I should be more what's a good way to put this? More patient about my entries. So more selective about what I enter on, and not just entering on the first thing market gives me. So yeah, I guess that will wrap it up for today. This was a shorter video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and see you later.